monster. He's already had a amp,
Right? Red Bull,
a Red Bull,
full throttle,
and
a double shot.
and a Starbucks double shot. He's going for his 5th energy drink, this 3rd one in 1 hour. We're gonna get this going just because it's kind of dripping right now. So ready, set, go! This time he's gonna have some trouble. Don't drip it, don't drip it. Go, 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 go. He's almost done, almost there. And he's done!
Nice.
Congratulations! Man! He's a champ!
Oh my, that's
Attaboy! Alright, also just to let you guys know, before we went on air, I did ask for people to call and talk to Thumper just to see how it was. And we have a caller that called in. And you know, we recorded their conversation, so I want to let you guys hear it. This is what their conversation consisted of.
Hello? Hi, Corey.
How are you energy drinks so fast?
Okay, so I've had about like 4.
Huh?
Yeah.
I still beat you, but I had 9.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did!
No, you didn't! Corey, I love you.
I know, I love you.
So basically what I have left, I have a 16-ounce monster ready.
Lucky.
I know, and I might be thinking about bribing some of my friends to give me $2 so I can get a Rockstar too.
I'm so bad.
Dude, I know, but DJ.
Die.
No.
Yeah, no,
Okay. What?
When I had 9 energy drinks, I got so hot and I put my face against our window, but I like couldn't cool down and I didn't for 2 days. It was amazing.
You sound like somebody's on like ecstasy. They're like, oh, everything feels so wonderful.
Don't you go and change for me.